Good morning guys, time check 8 o'clock, simula na ang registration. Makapag-register na ako. Ayun, see you guys mamaya kapag nag-start na. Time check 8:20, dumadami na po yung tao. Sponso, si Ria nagre-register. Yun guys, time check, maaga pa, mga 8:10 pa lang. Bibili muna akong kape kasi baka hindi na ako umabot eh. Sige guys, kita tayo mamaya. So yun sa Cafe Alfredo ko, kasama ko si Ria, yun si Ria, backshot. Hello guys, ito kami, si Ria. Di ba nag-i-start? Tagal nga eh, nainip na ako. Time check guys, hindi pa rin start. Ang tagal ay si Ria yun ha. Ay, madam. Ang tagal mag-start.
And we will start in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Ay, mag-start na daw in 5 minutes. Sige guys, bye-bye.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone, good morning. So thank you for being here and thank you to our speakers for giving us their time and sharing their expertise. So we welcome you today in our event, Beyond the Plate Creative Food Style and Operations in Modern Dining.
Local flavors with global techniques. Known for his creativity and precision, Chef Carlo continues to inspire his team in crafting exceptional dining experience that reflect both artistry and excellence. To introduce, may we call on Chef Lord Carlo Bayaban, the executive chef of Hilton, Manila.
I have a very precise legacy on what I'm doing as a chef. So I'm very keen to helping our farmers. So everything in Hilton Manila, every vegetables that we use, every fish that we use is coming from our local suppliers, local fisher foods, local farmers. So from Atong, Benguet, and Mountain Province. Lahat yan straight from the farmers. Why? Because what we're trying to do is trying to cut the middleman. Trying to give them the proper fair trade that they deserve. Okay? So explain to them later on how it's gonna impact you as a young chefs and how you can help this generation to move forward. Okay? For life baking. Okay? So ano ba talaga yung purpose nun? So ginagawa siya for basically nutrition. So that's on my experience, that's gonna be 20% of your appearance. Okay? Ang hindi pinag-uusapan, what are the negative consequences of food taking? Lagi na lang dapat maganda. So, not everyone is gifted all creative colors, creative looks. So, maraming malalim din sa food style. For you to be able na maging successful sa food style, dapat you understand the consequences. Ano yung mga golden rule? To be able to fix the problem, you must understand the problem. Right? So, ito yung negative consequences na nakita ko through my career. And judging a context, judging a fraud, ito yung mga consequences na mga food styling. Style over substance.
Nakarating lang ni Jude
Over
guys.
focusing on look and sometimes compromise flavor, decoration, texture. Maraming lumalapag sa harapan namin when we judge a plate. Napakaganda, parang ayaw mo namin kainin. For the presidents, I think that's almost 11 presidents na natin. Okay. Question? Good. Yeah, so plating and guest perception. So plating is more than just arrangement. It's the guest first taste through their eyes. well-plated fish sets expectation for flavor, quality, and craftsmanship. The use of all
Guys, magpapicture tayo ngayon kay Chef Lord. Ayan, picture tayo. Picture tayo. Hi kayo guys, hi kayo. Chef, hi po kayo, Chef.
Guys, picture na. Guys, pwesto na po, pwesto na.
Yung follow through yung mahirap. And then, bakit kaya mahirap yung second step? Kasi yung iba, well, depende sa reasons. Yung iba, walang resources. So, ayun. So, I will introduce myself lang. Ulit. I'm Rachel Imperial. So, growing up, we had series of businesses. So, hindi lang kami nag-stick kay Stay for One.
So yun guys, third speaker na tayo. Last speaker.
May cue cards ako pero parang gusto ko rin itapon. Spontaneous na lang ito. So, magandang araw to everybody. Ako po si Chef Lara and I'm the founder of LCP Studios. So, LCP stands for Little Chef Pastries because I used to be a pastry chef. I was from High Hotel and Casino and Midas Hotel and Casino. Being a pastry cook, you work 18 hours a day. 10 to 16 classes. We have 11 brand partners with us. These brand partners, they sponsor the classes. There are multinational companies like Pilmico, Arla, Puratos. Ni-sponsoran lang nila kami, no? They give us products every month para makapag-classes kami. And all our ovens from Western are also sponsored. And hindi biro investment yun para sa amin. No? And all the mixers are also sponsored. So now we do 16 classes. And I think the secret behind the growth of LCP really are the chefs. No? So anybody can teach. But what makes us different, kasi may nabili akong question, what sets you apart? Anybody can teach, but not everybody will share from the heart. And kanina pa, pag na lang, mabibalik na tayo.
So hello guys, tapos na po yung event. Ayan na, tapos na, nagdi-busy sila. Hey, thank you for watching my vlog. I'll see you guys later.
Ano, food styling na alala.
Yun yung pinakatumatak sa akin talaga. Yung kay Chef Lord.
Kasi,
Kasi parang madami siya pinag-usapan. Tapos parang super niya, expertise niya talaga yung food styling.
Kami
Tapos
nga daw.
parang naano ko dun sa ano, I mean, hindi mo siya nakagulat, pero yung rates niya, dun sa food styles niya, mga food style niya, or yung mga plating niya, na ano, 8K per plate. Wala, pero ang galing niya dun eh.
Sabi din niya daw, ano eh, pag Pilipino po daw, mga daw mura. Mura ba to?
Pilipino food.
Diba, Pilipino po daw eh. Mura naman.
Pero parang yun, parang mayroon siyang ways na elevate. Tapos ang magalingan nga yung sinabi niya yung nasa labas na tayo. Yung parang ano nga, yung kung bakit niya nga ba yung ginagawa. Tapos parang gusto niya nga na sumakses yung mga farmers. So cool. Ay, ba't may insect? Siya po, may insect.
Gusto ko yung steak, may aso.
yung kanin.
Oo.
Laga.
Yung steak
Ah, yun
ako.
na sasabihin ko sa'yo, yung steak to one. Kasi yung
laga
isang-
ba yun?
Hindi.
Hindi, yung Sororo, Socorro.
Tapos, ano yun, yung steak to one. Tapos pet friendly sila. Parang gusto nila talaga ng yung mga
Tinutulungan ng may
pumupunta doon.
fundraiser sila sa mga dog.
Na pet. Dogs lang.
Meron silang menu for dogs.
Oo.
Oo, sabi niya kasi.
Oo. Parang gusto niya talaga na ano, gusto nila talaga doon na pupunta yung mga guest my customer, guest my pets